Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to link bank account to PayPal account. Linking your bank account to PayPal lets you transfer funds easily and securely, so here is how you can do it. Open your PayPal application, or you can also visit paypal.com website and log in. After you're inside the homepage of PayPal, go to the Wallet section and tap on it, which is available at the bottom right. Inside the Wallet section, tap on Add New right next to Cards. In the pop-up, select Banks. Click on Go to Our Website button and select the bank that you'd like to link. From the menu, enter your account number and routing number and click on Agree and Link, and you will then be able to link your bank account with PayPal. With these steps, you can easily link a bank account to PayPal in just a couple of steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.